bones that you need for this step. We're taking B1 plus 1 and multiplying that by the retail sales sheet. There's just a couple of corrections needed. Here, B1 has to be an absolute reference. So you can either add the dollar sign or use your F4 key to convert that, because B1 will remain unchanged. And you can think of it this way. It will absolutely stay B1 when we copy it over and copy it down. It'll always be B1. Okay, the other thing that needs correcting is you cannot type in what the result is. You have to use the cell address. So I'm going to select that amount. I'm going to backspace or delete it. And then here, you got to be very careful, but with your mouse, click on, and do this exactly. Don't click on anything else. Click once on retail. Click once on B5. Now I have to scroll over. I'm being very careful using my scrolling buttons. I'm not clicking on anything else. I'm going to click on B5, and then I'm going to press enter on my keyboard. I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not going to click anywhere else. If you accidentally click somewhere else and it gets away from you, we call that drilling down, or sometimes we call it a 3D reference. When we build in a link, see how it's got now the sheet name, we go from one sheet to another sheet. That gets really squirrely really fast. So if it goes wrong, just press your escape key and get out of it, and then just delete it all and start again. Then once you have it there, the rest is easy. Autofill it through quarters 2, 3, and 4. So I go through the E column, and then autofill it all the way down through row 16. Oh, wait a minute, something went wrong. Sorry, I totally forgot. Do you see what happened when I clicked on the retail sheet? It gave it an absolute reference to B5. I forgot it does that, and you have to correct it. So I'm going to go up. I'm going to click on cell B5 here. I'm on the predictions sheet. I'm going to get rid of these dollar signs. So I'm going to get rid of the dollar sign that's before B, and I'm going to get rid of the dollar sign that's before 5. We want retail sheet B5 to be a relative reference. Okay, once those are gone, delete those dollar signs out of there. Keep these dollar signs. Press enter. Now, when you copy it over, it changes to C5, D5, E5, all pointing at the retail sheet. Now, when that's selected, copied down, 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 we should have different answers. There we go. Now our answers are different. And then for any one of them, I can look to see how it's changed its reference. That's what I want to see. And then just use your sum to sum up quarterly sales, sum down here, sum of, sum everything above it, right? That's all step 13.